So I wanted to take this module is about showing you how Integromat works and the kind of scenarios that I've currently got set up. So Integromat, you'll find, is a tool that connects all bunch of tools with each other. You can see it as a trigger. For each trigger, there's a reaction. Okay, so cause and effect. So I'll show you my example here. This is my dashboard. Okay, if you come to templates, I'll show you, here's a good example. So add new incoming emails to a Google Sheet, spreadsheet as a new row. So every time you get a new email, all that information goes into Google Sheet. You can choose to set these up, and there's plenty of examples. It's quite amazing what you can do with it. So here's a classic Facebook pages to Facebook pages. Post new Facebook pages post to another Facebook page. So that's what I've done here. What I've done a bit more, so if you come to, let's go to this one. Okay, so you'll see now in a Facebook group, watch post. So which Facebook group? Let's have a quick look. I chose in this module Fort Lauderdale Yacht Crew jobs. Every time a new post is made in that group, okay, I wanted to automatically, this is the router, create a post in my group, in my two groups. This one is Greenies Galore, and the other one is yachting.com. Okay, and I'm posting as a page, as Green Yacht Crew Solutions. I'm reposting that post there. So, for example, when someone goes and posts a new job, it's captain's looking for a crew member, automatically post that exact same post into my group, Greenies Galore, and into my group, yachting.com. Okay, and it's going to give me the post ID, the created time, full picture, and the actual message. And then the link will be linked to the original post. Okay, and then you'll see I have an ignore one here as well. Because I'm not an admin of this group, I need this module to catch the error, okay, and just post it anyway. Cool, so now next time someone posts in this group, you'll find the exact same post will be added to both these groups. So this allows me to update you guys consistently without having to repost it. Cool.